Hello future doctors, how are you to all? Now we are going to discuss important numericals about electromagnetic induction. We will discuss number of questions from the all chapter. That question will help you to getting best rank in this year in NEET exam. If you have any query, you can make a comment below the comment box and you can come keep in touch. Now we are going to solve question number first from the chapter electromagnetic induction. If you will face like this problem in exam, then how you will solve, you will learn in this video. Before solving any problem, any numerical, first you will read that question carefully. Now I am going to read. Question number first. A circular disc of radius 0.2 meter is placed in a uniform magnetic field of induction 1 upon pi Weber per meter square. Weber per meter square is a unit of magnetic field of induction in such a way that its axis makes an angle of 60 degree with vector B. The magnetic flux linked with the disk is, what they are asking, what is the value of magnetic flux that linked with the disk. So here given four option. Okay, which option is correct we will learn after solving this problem. So now before solving this problem, first we will write what is given. So given here, given that, what is given? First given radius denoted by capital R, you can take small r also, no problem. 0.2 meter radius given, so you can find the area of circular disc also, it will be pi r square. So now you can put the value pi multiple 0.2 square meter square having a unit of area. Now next, what is the next given? Magnetic field given. Magnetic field denoted by capital B, given 1 upon pi Weber per meter square. It is also given. Okay. Now next, angle also given. Angle denoted by theta 60 degree. Okay. Now asking magnetic flux. Magnetic flux denoted by phi. Now how we can find the answer? We will solve here. You know the formula of magnetic flux. You will apply this formula to finding magnetic flux in vector form. B dot A. This one called vector dot product. Okay. So this one having a dot product. So now you can write like this. Phi is equal to BA cos theta. If you will remove this dot, then you will apply cos theta. Okay. So now this formula you will apply here. Okay. To finding the magnetic flux. So now you can just put the value. Phi is equal to, what is the value of B? B having this value 1 upon pi multiply, what is the value of A? A having this value pi multiply 0.2 square multiply cos theta. Theta having 60 degrees. So you can just put here cos 60 degree. Now you can solve. Phi is equal to pi, will we cancel it? You can write 0.2 multiply 0.2 because they are having a square. Cos 60 having 1 upon 2 value. Now you can cut it 0.1 to 1 is 1. Now you can multiply. Phi is equal to 0.2 multiply 0.1. So phi will be is equal to 0.02 Weber. Okay, Weber. Okay, so this one having a final answer of this problem. If you are getting confused, so you can write here, because cos 60 having 1 upon 2 value, you can write in bracket. Okay, so now phi is equal to 0.2 Weber. So which option is correct? Option B is the correct answer of this problem. So like this method you will apply in exam. If you have already about that topic knowledge, subject knowledge, so you can apply direct formula and you can just solve. Please make practice to solving numerical. Increase your speed. That will help you to just saving your time in exam. Now we are going to discuss second question. Now we are going to solve question number second from the chapter electromagnetic induction. First we will read this question carefully. After that we can apply the formula. We can get the answer. Okay. Now I'm going to read question number second. A 800 turn coil of effective area 0.05 meter square is kept perpendicular to a magnetic field 5 multiple 10 power minus 5 Tesla. When the plane of the coil is rotated by 90 degree around any of its coplanar axes in 0.1 second, the EMF induced in the coil What they are asking? Induced EMF. So here given four options. Which option is correct? We will learn after solving this problem. Okay. So now how you can solve this problem? First, you will write given value. Now, given that first 800 turn, number of turn given, that denoted by capital N, 800 turn. Effective area, basically denoted by capital A, 0.05 meter square. You can simplify 5 multiple 10 power minus 2 meter square. Area given. Next, magnetic field also given. Magnetic field denoted by capital B. You can write 5 multiple 10 power minus 5 Tesla. Okay, very good. Next, coil is rotated by 90 degree. It means they are having an initial angle and this one final angle. So you can consider initial angle theta 1 0 degree and theta 2 90 degree. Theta is a notation of angle. Okay, now time, change in time del t given 0.1 second. We need to find induced EMF. Induced EMF we need to find. How we can find the answer of this question? Okay, now we are going to solve here. Okay, these all are given. Okay, so solution. You know very well induced EMF formula, that is given by Faraday's second law. Induced EMF is equal to negative of change in magnetic flux divided by change in time. You can also write EMF is equal to negative of phi 2 minus phi 1 divided by change in time. You can also write T2 minus T1, but here given already change in time. Okay, now this formula you will apply here to finding the answer of this problem. This formula, we need to find phi 1 as well as phi 2. So phi is a notation of magnetic flux. Magnetic flux, how we can consider here? You know very well magnetic flux basically defined phi is equal to B dot A in dot product situation. Okay, now you can write BA cos theta, but here there is a given number of turn also. So magnetic flux we can write phi is equal to NBA cos theta. Okay, very good. Suppose that if you are finding magnetic flux for the first situation, it means phi 1. So you will write here phi 1 is equal to NBA cos theta 1. Now you can apply the value. Phi 1 is equal to, what is the value of N? N having this value 800. You can apply 800 multiple B having a value 5 multiple 10 power 1 minus 5. 5 multiple 10 power minus 5. Okay. Multiple area A. A having this value 5 multiple 10 power minus 2 multiple cos theta 1. Theta 1 having a 0 degree. You can write cos 0 degree. Okay. Now you can solve it. 8 5s are 40 double 0 multiple again 5 multiple 10 power minus 5 10 power minus 2, it will be 10 power minus 7. Very good. And cos 0 having a value 1, you can write in bracket because cos 0 degree having value 1. Now you can solve. Phi 1 is equal to 4 5s are 20 triple 0 multiple 10 power minus 7. Now you can maintain phi 1 is equal to 2 multiple 10 power 4 multiple 10 power minus 7. Phi 1 is equal to 2 10 power plus 4 10 power minus 7. So it will be 10 power minus 3. So this is a initial magnetic flux. Okay, initial magnetic flux. You can just consider A. Initial magnetic flux phi 1. Similarly, we need to consider final magnetic flux. Okay, final magnetic flux similarly. Okay, final magnetic flux we need to consider phi 2 is equal to NBA cos theta 2. Now you can put the value. Phi 2 is equal to value of N 800 multiple value of B having 5 multiple 10 power minus 5, value of A 5 multiple 10 power minus 2, 5 multiple 10 power minus 2, and cos theta 2. Theta 2 having a 90 degree. Cos 90 degree. Cos 90 having value 0. So when you will multiply with 0, so it will come 0. So final magnetic flux will be 0. Okay. This one having a situation B. This one having an initial magnetic flux. This one having a final magnetic flux. Now you can put this value in this equation. So final induced EMF you can consider now. Now induced EMF negative of phi 2. What is the value of phi 2? 0. 0 minus what is the value of phi 1? 2 multiple 10 power minus 3. 2 multiple 10 power minus 3. Okay. Divided by change in time. Change in time is given 0.1. 0.1. Now you can just write negative will be positive, 2 multiple 10 power minus 3, and when you will remove this decimal, so you can increase 1 0 like this, 0.1. I am removing this, so you can write 1 0. Now you can write 2 multiple 10 power minus 3 10 power 1, it will be 10 power minus 2. Okay, EMF. Okay, induced EMF 2 into 10 power minus 2 volt. You can also write EMF, it means induced EMF is equal to 0.02 volt. Okay, either you can write 0.02 capital V also. So this is the final answer of this questions. Okay, now you can just see here which option is correct. This one is given option, so option B is matching, so option B is a right answer of this question. Now I am just want to say here, just this one having a given values and this one having a solution. Okay, if you have subject knowledge, if you have topic knowledge, so directly you can apply the formula, directly you can solve here. Either you just follow the method, follow the rules and discipline, definitely you will get good knowledge. Now I'm going to solve next question. Now we are going to solve question number 3 from the chapter electromagnetic induction. This is a very important question. Okay, so now first we will read this question carefully. Question number 3, a coil of resistance 400 ohm is placed in a magnetic field if the magnetic flux phi Weber. Weber is a unit of magnetic flux linked with the coil varies with the time t in second as phi is equal to 50 t square plus 4. Here is a given magnetic flux in time equation. Okay, the current in the coil at t is equal to 2 seconds. What they are asking, what is the value of current after t is equal to 2 seconds? Here is a given 4 option. Which option is correct? We will see after solving this problem. So you know very well how you can solve this problem. First you will write given values. Given that it is given resistance denoted by capital R given 400 ohm given. Next, magnetic flux given. Magnetic flux phi is equal to given 50 t square plus 4 given. You know very well they are asking current. So how you will get current? When you will make a change in magnetic flux. So you will make a change in magnetic flux. So you can find the value change in magnetic flux. Okay, with respect to time. So now you can just differentiate this equation with respect to time. Okay, so d by dt 4 also. Now you know very well how you can find the value of d by dt t square. It will be 50 multiplied, it will be 2t plus 0. How it come 2t? You know very well one formula you can apply here. D by dx x power n, you will get n x power n minus 1. With the help of this formula, you will apply this formula here, you will get the answer of this value. Okay. Now, d phi upon dt, it will be 100t. So 100t, this is a value of change in magnetic flux. When you will make change in magnetic flux, so definitely you will get induced EMF. So if there are induced EMF, so definitely current will be also there. It means induced current, you can also say. So now you know the relation between induced EMF and change in magnetic flux. That rules given by Faraday's. Okay, so you can also say the law of Faraday's in electromagnetic induction. Solution you can see here. Induced EMF basically defined by this equation, negative of change in magnetic flux, change in time also. Okay, you can write this equation in the form of this also, negative of d phi upon dt. You know the value of d phi upon dt. Okay, so now you can write here E is equal to negative of 100t, negative of 100t. So this is the induced EMF. But if time t is equal to 2 seconds, so induced EMF will be 100 multiplied by 2, so E will be negative of 200 volt. Okay, so you can take a magnitude if you will take, so you will get negative of 200 volt, it will be positive. Okay, so it will be positive, so it will be positive like this. So this is a value of induced EMF. But what they are asking, what is the value of current at t is equal to 2 seconds. So they are asking what is the value of current. It means they are asking what is the value of current when t is equal to 2 seconds. So you know very well there is a value of induced EMF when t is equal to 2 seconds. So you know the relation, because you know the relation between induced EMF, resistance and current. So you know very well I is equal to induced EMF divided by R. Now you can just put the value 200 divided by what is the value of R? 400. So 400, it will be cancelled. I is equal to 2 by 4, it means 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 means 0.5. So you can write I is equal to 0.5 ampere. So I is equal to 0.5 ampere is a final answer. Okay, the value of current. Okay, you can just write here like this. So this is the value of current after t is equal to 2 seconds. Okay, so this is a very simple calculation. You know very well which option is correct. You can just match here 0.5. So 0.5 having a option B. Option B is the correct answer of this problem. So you can just put the tick, okay, in option B. Now, once again, I am just telling this one having a rough calculation, this one having a final formula. If you have no practice about this topic, about this concept, so first please revise this concept, and after that just follow once again this types of rules. After that just you can make a shortcut, that depend on your calculation. Okay, if your calculation is a good, so definitely you can get easily. Now we are going to discuss next question. Now we are going to solve question number 4 from the same chapter, electromagnetic induction. First we will read this question carefully. Okay, so now question number 4 is, a conducting circular loop is placed in a uniform magnetic field. B is equal to 0.025 Tesla with its plane perpendicular to the loop. The radius of the loop is made to shrink at a constant rate of 1 mm per second. The induced EMF Well, the radius is 2 centimeter. What they are asking? They are asking what is the value of induced EMF? Radius 2 centimeter. Okay. So now last time we were discussed the value of induced current at time was 2 seconds. But here radius is a 2 centimeter and asking induced EMF. So now how we can find the value? First, you will write given values. Given that. What is given? First, magnetic field given. So, magnetic field given, it means you can write magnetic field B is equal to 0.025 Tesla. You can simplify 25 multiple 10 power minus 3 Tesla. Similarly, what is the next given? Next given, the radius of the loop is made to shrink at a constant. So loop, radius of the loop. So radius of the loop, radius of the loop shrink. Okay. So which rate? dr upon dt you can write, dr upon dt you can write 1 mm per second. You can also write 1 mm second inverse, and in SI unit you can write 1 multiple 10 power minus 3 meter per second. Okay, now next what they are asking? They are asking induced EMF. So induced EMF asking, okay, when radius r will be 2 centimeter. You can also write like this, 2 multiple 10 power minus 2 meter in SI form. Okay, now how we can find this value? You know, here induced EMF will come when you will make a change in magnetic flux. So magnetic flux, you are going to solve this problem. For the magnetic flux, you know very well, magnetic flux is equal to BA cos theta. Okay, for this situation, you will apply the formula phi is equal to BA. A value you can apply pi r square. And for this situation, for this condition, for the loop, you will take theta 0 degree. So cos 0 degree. Now you can just write phi is equal to b pi r square. So because cos 0 having one value, you can write here because cos 0 degree is equal to 1. So this is a formula magnetic flux for this question, but you have need to find induced EMF. How you can find induced EMF? When you will make a change in magnetic flux. So induced EMF you can consider like this. Induced EMF you can consider when induced EMF you can consider E is equal to d phi upon dt. So now you can write E is equal to d by dt b pi r square. So now you can write E is equal to b pi having a constant d by dt r square. So you can take E is equal to b pi 2r dr upon dt. So what is the value of dr upon dt? So dr upon dt having this value. Okay, so this value you can apply here. Okay, so this value you can apply here, no problem. I am just writing. So E is equal to b pi multiply 2 multiply r multiply 1 multiple 10 power minus 3. So now you can put the all values of v, value of r you can put here. Okay, now I am just writing here. Now okay, b having this value 25 multiple 10 power minus 3. Okay, and what is the value of r having 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter, you can put here. Now E will be equal to, what is the value of b having this value 25 multiple 10 power minus 3 multiple pi. Okay, multiple 2 multiple, what is the value of r having this value 2 multiple 10 power minus 2, 2 multiple 10 power minus 2. Okay, and this one value 1 multiple 10 power minus 3. Now you can solve it. First you will make the range of power. Okay, so power you can solve it. Okay, 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3, minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 minus 2 minus 8, and you can just write here 25 multiple 2 multiple 2 multiple pi multiple 10 power minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 you can write. So now you can solve it. 2 to the 4 20, 2 to the 4 4 25 ja. Okay, either you can write 25 4 ja 100. So 100 multiple pi multiple 10 power minus 8. When you will solve it, you will get pi multiple 10 power minus 6. Why? Because here having 10 power 2 minus 6, so here having 10 power 2, here 10 power minus 8, so you will take like this 10 power minus 6 volt. Okay, so you can also write induced EMF E is equal to pi micro volt. Induced EMF is equal to pi micro volt you can write, because 10 power minus 6 having 1 micro value. So which option is correct? E is equal to pi micro V. So pi micro V, option A is a correct answer of this problem. So now we are going to solve next problem. Now we are going to solve question number 5 from the same chapter, electromagnetic induction. We will read this question carefully. This is also very important question. Okay, so now question number 5 is a rectangular coil of 20 turns and area of cross section 25 centimeter square has a resistance of 1000 ohm. If a magnetic field which is perpendicular to the plane of coil changes at a rate of 1000 Tesla per second, the current in the coil is. What they are asking, what is the value of current when they are changing magnetic field? Okay, this time they are changing magnetic field, not magnetic flux. Okay, so now here given 4 option, which option is correct we will see after solving this numerical. Okay, now how you can solve it? First you will write given values, given that, but given number of turn given, it means capital N. Number of turn basically denoted by capital N, 20 turn. Okay. Cross sectional area given, cross sectional area denoted by capital A, 25 centimeter square. You can convert in SI unit. So you can write 25 multiple 10 power minus 4 meter square. Okay. Now next, resistance given, resistance basically denoted by capital R, given 100 ohm, 100 ohm given. Now what they are telling? They are telling change in magnetic field, change in magnetic field given. It means there is a given change in magnetic field d by a upon dt. So d by upon dt given 1000 Tesla per second. What they are asking? Current asking in the coil. So value of current asking. So now how you can find and which types of formula you will apply here. This one having a solution. Okay. To finding the value of current, so you will apply this formula I is equal to NA dB upon dt divided by capital R. Whenever they will ask the value of current and if they will give the value of resistance and change in magnetic field, then you will apply this formula directly. So now you can put the value I is equal to, what is the value of N? N having this value 20, multiply what is the value of A having this value 25 multiple 10 power minus 4 multiple value of dB upon dt. So this one having a value of dB upon dt 1000 divided by value of R having this value you can put here 100. This one will cancel it with this. Okay, now you can just multiply 25 2 ja 50. Okay, and 10 multiply 10 multiple 10 power minus 4. Now you can solve it. I is equal to 5 multiple 10 power 3 multiple 10 power minus 4. Now you can solve it. So 5 multiple 10 power minus 4 minus 3, 10 power minus 1. Now finally you can write here I is equal to 0.5 ampere. So this is the final answer of this problem. Which option is correct? Option C having a correct answer of this question. Okay, all future doctors, I am telling to you, just please make a practice at your home. If you have a weak corner about subject, so please make a comment below the comment box. These all questions are very important questions as I discussed here, so please do practice and similar question try to do at your home. Thank you so much. Next chapter we will discuss in same manner. Okay, so we will meet in next chapter. Thank you so much.